Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all fit and fine. I am also great. So today I am going to share with you few tips how to improve your English. So you want to really improve your English. So you need every single day practice. So that's why I'm search for you and I'm helping with you with sharing some tips. So let's go. How will I how will I help with me? So actually, uh, when you learn any language or anything, first of all you would need listen. When you listen a lot times, only any things you achieve. I mean any language you achieve, you would when you listening a more time, then you understand what to say every people, should you say. Then you very smoothly got the point, and you understand how do will I speak English, how do will I talk with another people. So first of all you need listening, a lot listening. Then you need, secondly you need practicing. When you practice every day, when you do practice every day, then you very fastly achieve this language. Then third thing is the grammatical thing. You need grammatical thing, because you living Bangladesh country, you don't live another foreigner country. That's practically conversation another person. You only practice with alliance. That's why you first of all need some grammatical things. Then you practice every single day. You practice every single day. You conversation with phone. I mean with your camera, with mirrors. You conversation every day. Yeah. Then you will try every day, because try is maximum perfect. Because you when you try every day, you many times don't pronunciation, don't cut pronunciation. Yeah, don't cut pronunciation. And you if you face a lot of things, that's why you first of all need everyday practice and listening a lot of videos. And you learn grammatical some things, kind of tense and modal verb, take question, kind of lots of things. And you don't worry, know vocabulary and what vocabulary. When you practice every single day, you vocabulary automatically you learn vocabulary, because you listening English video podcast. Yeah, you will listening podcast and traveling video kind of. Then you need you automatically learn kind of vocabulary. So don't worry, learn vocabulary. So basically everybody know kind of 50 to 100 vocabulary basically. But when you reading again some one of vocabulary, then you remind that remember this, I know this vocabulary. Yeah, so don't worry, this no vocabulary, just you practice and you listening and you know grammatical things every single day. You try to think in English. Yeah, so you will be can't see this language. It's not hard for us. Yeah, I think it's not hard for us. So I think actually. And when you try every single day, you very fastly achieve this language. Just you need time. You actually I do I practice every day. I listen in English videos every day, kind of 4 5 hours. And I think in English. I practice every single day. And yeah, I practice every single day. And I listening for 5 hours. And yeah, while listening for 5 hours and thinking in English, that's enough for me. That's enough, guys. So this is thing actually. You can maintain kind of few things, then you will be fluent speaker. You will be fluent speaker. Just you need maintain kind of few things. These actually things. And pray for me, because I want to fluently speak English. That's why I make videos. this video actually practicing purpose, and I will really want to help another people, because many people interested for another kind of language, learn another language. That's why I make this video for them. That's why. So goodbye today.